The Tasmanian Highlands encompasses the Franklin-Gordon Wild Rivers National Park and is a World Heritage Site. I'm traveling from Lake Sinclair towards Strone on the Wilderness Highway, and there's an opportunity to sneak in a few easy hikes and a waterfall just to enjoy this natural scenic land that is the Tasmanian Highlands. Just off the roadway is the first nature walk down to the Franklin River. It's an easy walk down to a viewing boardwalk and back up along the river, where, if you push through some brush, grab a glimpse of the river, you will be delighted. Just a simple, beautiful nature walk. The next stop is the Frenchman's Cap Trail, a 2 to 3 day very tough hike through the bush and up to Frenchman's Cap, a very beautiful mountain feature. However, this walk will be down to the river on various types of terrain before reaching a suspension bridge and the scenic beauty of the river. Just a fun little walk. Donafee's Hill Lookout is a 2-kilometer walk up a service road to the narrow path that continues to climb the hill to the initial view of the valley below. The path continues up steps to a large viewing platform and a good view of the Franklin River and Frenchman's Cap among the mountains. Enjoyable views of the Highlands. My last stop on the Wilderness Highway is Nelson Falls, a beautiful waterfall that should not be missed. The 20-minute walk is gentle and alongside a small river before entering the splendor of this waterfall. The Tasmanian Highlands are beautiful, and I'm reminded of the fun walks through nature. I'm approaching Queenstown, a mining city, and only a few miles from Strawn and Macquarie Harbor. Thanks for watching Tommy's Holiday, Australia.